Samsung just leaked something that could make the iPad Pro M4 feel like a digital notepad. If you were thinking about spending around $1,200 on a premium tablet, you might want to pause for a moment, because Samsung appears to be preparing something much more ambitious. We're talking about the rumored Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, a device that could blur the line between tablet and laptop more than ever before. This isn't simply about adding a faster processor or making the screen a little brighter. Samsung seems to be targeting professionals, creators, students, gamers, and anyone who wants serious computing power without carrying a traditional laptop everywhere. For years, the premium tablet market has essentially been divided between Apple's iPad Pro lineup and Samsung's Galaxy Tab Ultra series. But the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra could change that competition in a major way. Let's start with the feature you'll notice immediately: the display. Samsung has already built a reputation for producing some of the best OLED screens in the world, but the S12 Ultra is rumored to take things even further with Tandem OLED technology. Instead of relying on a single OLED layer, Tandem OLED uses multiple emissive layers working together. The potential advantages include higher brightness, better efficiency, improved durability, and stronger HDR performance. If Samsung can deliver on those expectations, the 14.6-inch display could become one of the biggest reasons to choose this tablet over a conventional laptop. A screen this large is especially interesting for creators. Imagine editing a 4K video timeline while still having enough room for your media library, effects controls, and preview window. Graphic designers could use the entire display as a digital canvas, while photographers could inspect fine details without constantly zooming and scrolling. Even watching movies would feel closer to using a portable cinema screen than a conventional tablet. Rumors have suggested brightness levels approaching 2000 nits, although that figure should be treated as speculation until Samsung officially confirms the specifications. If it becomes reality, outdoor visibility and HDR content could be dramatically better than what most tablets currently offer. But a massive display is only useful when the hardware underneath can keep up. Samsung's previous tablet strategy has included different processor choices depending on the model and market, but the S12 Ultra is expected to focus heavily on flagship performance. Rumors point toward a next-generation Snapdragon platform, potentially from Qualcomm's premium Snapdragon 8 family. Whatever final chip Samsung chooses, the goal will be clear: deliver laptop-class performance while maintaining the efficiency required for an extremely thin tablet. Modern mobile processors are becoming incredibly powerful, and Samsung could use that performance to make multitasking much more practical. The software will be just as important. Samsung's One UI tablet experience has evolved significantly, particularly with DeX, which can transform the tablet into something that feels much closer to a desktop computer. With a large display, keyboard accessory, trackpad, and multiple resizable windows, the S12 Ultra could become a genuine productivity machine. Imagine having a browser, video editor, messaging application, file manager, and notes application open at the same time. Instead of constantly switching between applications, you could simply arrange everything around your workflow. That's where Samsung has an opportunity to differentiate itself from traditional tablets. Now let's talk about the design, because the Ultra series has always been about making a statement. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to continue Samsung's extremely thin premium design philosophy, potentially using a stronger metal frame and refined materials to balance durability with portability. A 14.6-inch tablet is physically large, so keeping it thin and relatively lightweight is important. Samsung needs the device to feel substantial without becoming something that you hesitate to carry around. The bezels could also become even slimmer, creating the impression that the display is floating inside the frame. Then there's the S Pen. For years, Samsung has positioned its stylus as one of the biggest advantages of the Galaxy Tab family. With the S12 Ultra, the company could take the experience further with improved latency, smarter software features, and potentially more advanced feedback technology. A stylus that provides subtle tactile feedback could make digital drawing feel more natural. Instead of the completely frictionless sensation of a plastic tip moving across glass, future software and hardware could attempt to simulate different writing and drawing experiences. For artists, architects, students, and designers, those improvements could make a meaningful difference. artificial intelligence could be another major part of the S12 Ultra experience. Samsung's Galaxy AI platform is increasingly becoming a central part of its ecosystem, and a giant tablet provides an ideal environment for AI-powered productivity. Imagine attending a video conference on one side of the display while real-time transcription appears on the other. The tablet could potentially identify important discussion points, organize notes, and help create a summary after the meeting. Students could use AI tools to organize research, summarize long documents, or explain difficult concepts, while professionals could use them to manage schedules, emails, presentations, and project information. Multitasking is where the enormous 14.6-inch screen could really prove its value. On a smaller tablet, running multiple applications simultaneously can quickly become cramped. On the Ultra, however, there is enough physical space to make the experience genuinely useful. You could have a video call open beside a document, keep a browser window underneath, and use the S Pen to annotate information without constantly closing applications. Samsung's DeX mode could push this even further by giving users a more desktop-like interface when they need serious productivity. Battery life will naturally be one of the biggest questions. A large, extremely bright OLED panel combined with a powerful flagship processor can consume significant energy, especially during demanding tasks. Samsung is therefore expected to continue using a very large battery, potentially around the 12,000 mAh range. Charging speed could also receive attention. If Samsung moves beyond its familiar 45-watt charging system towards something closer to 65 watts, users could spend less time connected to an outlet. For a tablet designed to replace part of your laptop workflow, fast charging is more than a convenience. It can determine whether the device is ready when you actually need it. The camera system could also see improvements. Nobody is buying a 14.6-inch tablet primarily to take vacation photos, but cameras still matter for productivity. Better front-facing cameras can improve video meetings, while automatic framing and tracking can keep you centered during presentations or calls. A strong rear camera can be useful for scanning documents, capturing whiteboards, photographing products, and working with augmented reality applications. For professionals, these features can be far more useful than simply having a high megapixel number. The biggest question, of course, is price. A premium device featuring a huge OLED display, flagship processing power, advanced AI, an S Pen, and laptop-style productivity features will not be cheap. If Samsung keeps the starting price around the rumored $1,299 level, the S12 Ultra will be competing directly with premium iPads and entry-level laptops. That could sound expensive, but the value equation changes when you consider everything the device is designed to replace. With the right keyboard and software, it could serve as a laptop for work, a drawing tablet for creative projects, a media machine for entertainment, and a portable workstation for demanding tasks. The timing will also be fascinating. If Samsung launches the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra toward the latter part of 2026, it could become one of the company's biggest premium computing products of the year. Samsung would not simply be competing against other Android tablets. It would be challenging Apple's iPad Pro while simultaneously trying to convince laptop users that a tablet can handle more of their daily workload. Of course, all of these details should be treated as rumors until Samsung officially announces the device. Specifications, pricing, processor choices, display technology, and launch timing can all change before release. But the direction is exciting. Samsung clearly understands that the future of tablets cannot simply be about making them thinner or adding another camera. The real opportunity is creating a device that combines the portability of a tablet with the flexibility and power of a computer. So the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra could represent something much bigger than another yearly upgrade. Could be Samsung's attempt to redefine what a premium tablet is supposed to be. If the company can combine an exceptional OLED display, flagship performance, powerful AI features, DeX productivity, long battery life, and a refined S Pen experience into one device, it could become one of the most versatile computers you can carry. And that brings us to the big question. Would you actually replace your laptop with a Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra? Is a massive 14.6-inch display exactly what a professional tablet needs? Or is it simply too large to remain convenient? Would you choose it over an iPad Pro? Or would you still prefer the traditional laptop experience? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Samsung's rumored powerhouse, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Tap Tech, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next major tech update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.